Hey guys, so for this video we're going to be unboxing the Goonies steelbook. This is a FYE exclusive. This is for the Blu-ray. It's the back. I don't know if you guys want to pause that. Like their other exclusive steelbooks, I don't think this comes with a digital code. This right here is not debossed, and neither is this. A shame, but this is more of a, I guess, a matte finish, and then the lettering is gonna be like a, I guess, glossy. We have the back. Nothing on the back. You have the spine. You just have the normal Blu-ray disc. And there's the artwork. And then the full steelbook. So yeah guys, thanks for watching.